Let's see if we can get the blonde. Let's see if we can get the hair.
Wow, look at that.
Are you as tall as Daddy? Ow! Oh, way bigger. You're bigger than Daddy?
We're getting part of the wig. That's it.
I guess. You'll be a grown-up when we say you're a grown-up.
That is a double size.
I'll tell you.
Look at that shit. It's getting bigger. She's getting bigger.
What?
Look how wide she's getting. The hair.
I'm living
Is it recording?
Yeah.
What happened to all the yellow parts?
That's
new memory?
This is new recording.
Baseball bat.
Wow.
You got a lot of memory on it.
Oh, I want to get a couple of strikes. Yeah, that is awesome.
And you got the power cords giving you a little depth also when it shows, because you can see the cords going across.
Yeah.
There you go.
I
I want one of those strikes to go across it, you know what I mean, Marie?
Yeah. Yeah, the reverse strike.
That was the best one of the night right there.
I seen one come from the bottom, work its way up. That was wild.
Really?
Yeah.
No shit.
Yeah, just before you guys pulled up, we saw it.
Okay.
It came from the bottom up.
There's a little bit.
Yep.
Trying to get a for that roof.
Huh.
Yeah, the Nunzio on mine. We'll just rip the thing up.
Give me a half a grenade. Blow that shit right now.
Said that might attract a fireman too.
Well, okay, if we had a grenade, we'd throw it right there where the meat is.
Yeah. Hell with the pry bar.
Look at that shit.
That is so cool.
Somebody told me you couldn't cut some hole in the back of that thing.
Oh, hell yeah. Boy, your arms do get tired holding this thing.
That's what I was saying. Definitely.
I can do it.
Here, I'll hit a little bit.
Oh, you want it too? I know.
The face and the wig changed. No, it didn't. It's moving now. The wind's blowing it. It's moving fast.
Yeah, there with my camera. You want to go home, buddy? Why? Because she's out of pickles? That's great.
Yes.
That ain't cool, buddy. That's not even happening. You just ate a 8-pound pickle. Damn.
Was it big?
No, Stephanie, it was huge.
He ate the whole thing.
These are barrel.
I can't believe he ate it. I like to see what
these are barrel
pickles.
pickles.
See what he threw it.
I'm sure he did. I don't know what he did with a napkin.
Where's your napkin, bud? Where?
You threw it where?
Where'd you throw it?
Gotta be in a trash can.
He's all I throw napkins like you throw cigarette
This
butts.
is gonna go on till like 2 o'clock in the morning.
You don't. I mean out the car. Wherever you threw that.
Wow, yeah, there you go.
That was nice. That was
Left
nice.
side, yeah, was nice. Yeah, this show is gonna go on for quite a while. It's all heat like that.
You know, you can actually get it. You can get a stand for that too.
Yeah.
You see that? You get a tripod. Yeah, you can get a tripod stand for it.
What was that?
Considering how many of these shows we've been getting, you may want to invest $20 in a tripod stand. Yeah?
No doubt.
I was telling
Sit right on here. You just sit right here.
I want to get a telescope.
Telescopes are badass.
Oh, I had one when I was a kid.
I love them. We had one in Modesto, man. We were looking at the moon, man. You wouldn't believe.
I actually saw. I used to love going to the planetarium.
I put it together, all the different things.
Yeah.
And then my friend's son lost all the things that we for.
The best shot that I saw was the rings of Saturn, clear as day. Like touch it.
It's getting better over this way. Oh shit. Wow. Oh, that was good. That was good.
What do we do on Saturday night? Fall and ass across the sky or watch the lightning storm? It's neat watching it from the airplane. I was going over, I was looking.
Oh, yeah. Look at that.
Wow.
I can just imagine the tornadoes over going on below it.
That one come over there, maybe?
Huh?
That one comes from your left?
I can't hear you.
Did that one come from your left?
I didn't see the one on the left. Yeah, there was a nice one on the left.
Yeah, oh yeah, they're still flashing over here.
Well, wow, I missed more.
But most of the show's right here in the center.
On top of that damn roof we need to knock down.
Yeah.
Yeah, you wouldn't have the cable for
Mommy, I
it.
want to go.
Alright, buddy, we're gonna go home. Well, you can record more if you want, Murray. Murray, we gotta go.
Alright.
She's tired.